Welcome, warriors. Step into the fresh drop of Steel Front. Today we're about to pump you full of pure adrenaline. Buckle up, it's gonna be brutal and no smoke breaks. Ukraine's defense forces are relentlessly grinding on a key front line. It's total combat synergy. Every unit moving as one. We're unleashing maximum efficiency. Top-tier intel. Eyes in the sky. Tactical maneuvers. And heavy firepower. We are locking it down. This footage captures the raw reality of the daily frontline grind. See how we hold the line, execute tactical strikes, and maintain unbroken coordination across every single combat unit. Total sync. Total control. From raw intel to the final strike, from planning to fortification, every move serves one mission: total control. We minimize risks, push the tactical edge, and relentlessly drain the enemy's offensive power. It's clockwork discipline. Infantry, artillery, drone pilots, engineers, logistics, and medics. Distinct units acting as one unstoppable machine. In this sector, the enemy is digging in deep, desperately trying to hold the line. They are hammering our positions with systematic fire and probing our defenses. We also see them staging small assault groups, getting ready for a push. We track every single move. Armor, troops, shifting firing positions, electronic warfare, logistics. Nothing hides from us. We turn that intel into action, lethal counter-battery fire, and precision strikes on high-value targets. We are neutralizing their ability to attack before they even start. Surveillance is full spectrum. Optics, thermal, radar, drone fleets, and ground scouts. We see everything. That intel hits command in real time, turning data into decisions instantly. This ensures a lightning-fast response, shifting firepower, executing maneuvers, and locking down cover. Total situational awareness. Coordination is live and relentless. Every branch gets clear orders, perfectly synced in time and space. We optimize every resource, cut the waste, and unleash the full combat potential of every unit. Zero room for error. Amid the chaos of combat, we analyze every move. We adapt fast, shifting tactics on the fly, always ready for the worst-case scenario. The mission is absolute. Unbreakable defense. No breakthroughs. We systematically grind down the enemy while keeping our forces lethal. Scouts and drones provide a non-stop intel stream, the solid foundation for every single strike. Meanwhile, the intel flow is relentless. Recon teams are streaming detailed data on enemy positions, armor status, and manpower. This info hits us from multiple angles simultaneously, cross-verified instantly for absolute precision and speed. Zero doubt. Total clarity. Our drone fleet covers the entire mission spectrum, guiding artillery, non-stop aerial recon, confirming hits, and watching the flanks for any enemy movement. Operators and gunners are locked in tight sync. We send pinpoint coordinates, adjust fire in real time, and provide immediate feedback after every single impact. Infantry executes stealth maneuvers, utilizing every inch of cover. We sweep the sectors, fortify positions, and prep fallback lines. Movement is invisible. Total camouflage discipline. Once we hit the mark, we lock it down. Defense is up, eyes open. We are ready to crush any counterattack. We lock down the flanks and secure the rear. No blind spots. We hunt for infiltration routes, spotting sabotage squads and enemy buildups before they strike. Every piece of intel feeds into one master battle picture. Commanders get the full scope instantly, making split-second calls to shift the fight and dominate the situation. Targets confirmed. Priorities locked. The active fire phase is a go. Heavy artillery, mortar squads, and attack drones unleash a synchronized barrage. We deliver pinpoint strikes on fortifications, armor clusters, command nodes, and logistics. We smash their firing positions and choke off their supply lines. Total impact. Every shot, every salvo, every guided missile is calculated to perfection. We factor in intel, weather, and ballistics. The goal is simple: maximum lethality, zero risk to our side. Gun crews operate in a deadly rhythm. Targets assigned. Sectors locked. We engage multiple clusters simultaneously, unleashing a coordinated storm of fire. Strike drones and spotters operate as a lethal tandem. This tag team ensures surgical precision, even in the worst conditions. After the hit, we verify the destruction instantly. Direct impacts, secondary detonations, and catastrophic damage. The feedback loop is lightning fast. Adjust coordinates, switch targets, and keep raining fire. Cover teams and air watch provide the ultimate shield for our heavy hitters, artillery and drone pilots. We scan the skies, tracking incoming counterfire and enemy drones. Reaction time? Instant. On the zero line, our infantry holds the ground rock solid. They are dug in, ready to crush any counterattack the moment the smoke clears. Combat engineers are always one step ahead, carving out our lifelines. Alternate routes, extraction paths, backup firing points, they prep it all. Even if the sector goes critical, we stay mobile, we stay flexible. The fire mission is a relentless loop. Spot, lock, destroy, repeat. We verify the kill and move to the next target instantly. This is surgical efficiency. Saving ammo, protecting our squad, and systematically dismantling the enemy war machine. Battle damage assessment is in. The strikes were devastating. We neutralized enemy armor, transport fleets, artillery, mortars, and ammo depots. Their command nodes and comms? Offline. We hold the key ground with an iron grip, expanding our control zone and adding new layers of defense daily. Intel confirms the enemy is reeling. Fire intensity is dropping. They are scrambling to regroup and patch up the wreckage. We have the momentum. Cleanup complete. Infantry digs in deep on the new lines. New watch posts are live. Backup firing slots and maneuver routes prepped and ready. Engineers are reinforcing the shield, stress testing the forts, and dropping fresh obstacles right where the enemy is likely to push. Medevac runs like clockwork. Fast extraction, instant stabilization. Behind the lines, the machine never stops. Troops rotate, ammo and fuel top up. Weapons cleaned, drones patched. We reload, reset, and get ready for the next round. Mission report. Resilience, adaptability, precision. We improve our tactical position methodically. No rushing, just cold calculation based on resources and intel. We don't just fight, we learn. Every engagement is analyzed to fix weak spots, sharpen tactics, and evolve. The line holds because of iron discipline and absolute unit sync. We've smashed their logistics and support gear. The result? Their ability to attack is crippled. We are in control. This tactical synergy is the wall they cannot break. We stop their advances cold. We don't just hold the line, we seize the initiative. We turn their logistics into a nightmare, starving their supply lines and shattering their ability to regroup or recover. Our defenders execute every mission with absolute discipline. Infantry, artillery, drones, engineers, logistics, and medics. Distinct units moving as one united force. Total coordination. Total commitment. The combat cycle is a well-oiled machine. Recon, plan, maneuver, strike, verify, fortify. Then we do it again. Every link in this chain is vital for the nation's defense. We stop their advance by systematically grinding them down. We shatter their logistics and drain their resources. We hold the initiative. We dictate the tempo, forcing the enemy to react to us, burning their reserves just to stay afloat. We break their supply lines, crushing their combat power and their will to fight. It comes down to elite discipline, professional training, and absolute trust. Even in the chaos, our combined arms synergy is unbreakable. The mission never ends. We adapt, we dig in deeper, and we maintain total situational control. Systematic. Relentless. Focused on the ultimate strategic goal.